All right, get your board ready for math. We're going to do number bonds again, but this time we are going to be subtracting. When we're subtracting, they're always going to give us this number first. They're going to let us start there, and then we'll figure out which number's missing, and we'll figure that out. So draw your number bond on your board and get ready. I'm going to read you some number problems, and we're going to figure out how to get that missing number. All right, I found 8 sand dollars on the shore. So we're going to start right there. There were 8 of them. 3 of them broke. How many do I have left? If I had 8 and 3 broke, I'm going to draw 8 dots. And I'm going to cross out 3 because we're subtracting. And how many are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we're going to write subtraction number sentences. So we're going to start with the 8. 8 minus how many broke? 3 equals 5. And now if we flip it around, we would do 8 minus 5 equals 3. Those are the 2 subtraction number sentences. All right, good job. Erase your board. Try to leave that number bond on there if you can. If you can't, it's okay to redraw. Let's practice a few more together. There were 8 purple kites in the sky. 2 of them fell to the ground. 2 of them fell down. How many were still in the sky? I can use my number counting strategy and count backwards. When we subtract, we count backwards, or you can use dots. So if you're using dots, draw 8 dots. And then how many are you going to cross out? 2. I'm going to use the counting strategy because I want you to really start practicing putting the number in your brain and counting. So let's use the number strategy and count backwards. I need to count backwards 2 spaces because we subtracted 2. 8, 7, 6. 6 goes right there. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Yes. But let's write our subtraction sentences. So remember, they're going to start with the big number, 8. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Or 8 minus 6 equals 2. See how I used the same 3 numbers but switched them around? Good job if you got that right away. If not, keep practicing. It's all right. We're going to keep right on practicing. All right, clear off your board for the next one. I ordered 10 chicken nuggets. I gave 6 away to my friend. How many chicken nuggets did I get to eat? All right, if you're using dots, draw 10 dots, erase 6, or we're going to count backwards 6 spaces. So we're going to put 10 in our brain and count backwards 6 spaces. Are you ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 4 would go right there. All right, what's my first subtraction sentence? Remember, I start with the big number. So 10 minus 6 equals 4. What's my second one? I want you to go ahead and write it and then check and see if you got the same as me. Remember, you're using all 3 of those numbers, 10, 6, and 4. Did you get 10 minus 4 equals 6? Awesome job if you did. Let's go ahead and do one more together before we do our paper. My petunia had 7 petals and 2 fell off. How many are left? If you still need dots, draw 7 dots and cross out 2. If you're counting back is our subtraction strategy. If you're counting back, put 7 in your brain and let's count back 2. 7, 6, 5. We're going to put a 5 right there. All right. My number sentence now would be 7 minus 2 equals 5. You figure out the other one. Remember to start with the big number. Minus 5 equals 2. If you already got that, awesome job. All right, you can go ahead and erase your board now and get out your paper. We're going to start our paper together. So your paper looks like this. It has little hamsters today. So go ahead and cut out that row of hamsters. I know some of you like to take your time and do really neat cutting and get those cut out real nice. So go ahead. If you want to do that, that's great. If you want to just cut them quick, they don't have to look perfect either. It's okay. So I'm just going to go quick, cut out these hamsters. You cutting yours? Just cutting them right out. Got mine all cut out and ready to go. Hopefully you do too. If you don't, I'll just give you a couple seconds to get those hamsters all cut out and get ready for our number sentence. Okay? Put your name up at the top of your paper to start. Keep your hamsters right here in front of you so we can glue them on when we need to. They're guinea pigs, sorry. I've been looking at them and thinking they're hamsters, but the question says guinea pigs. There were 8 guinea pigs in the pet store. 3 were sold to a family. How many guinea pigs are left? So I'm going to draw my pet store. And I know how many left. How many guinea pigs got sold? 3. So I'm going to put 3 guinea pigs out here. And I need to make sure there are 8 guinea pigs in all. I'm going to underline my numbers so I can check those. All right, I have 3 guinea pigs that got sold. So I just made 3 lines to remind myself. And I'm going to glue 3 guinea pigs right on those lines. 1, 2, 3. And now it said there were 8 altogether. So I need to get up to 8. So I'm going to put the rest of them are going to go in my store. So I'm going to just put the glue on the store here. And then I'm going to count. I already have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Now I have 8 altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome job if you already have 8. If not, go ahead and catch up to us. Get 8 guinea pigs on your paper. All right. We know 8 is the total number, so it's going in the big circle. And 3 were sold. Now we have to figure out how many are still in the store. So let's count our friends still in the store. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the third number of our number bond. Okay, we're going to make our number sentences over here. I'm going to start with the 3. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Now this time start with the 5. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Now for our subtraction, remember we're starting with 8 both times because we always start with the biggest number when we're subtracting. 8 minus 3 equals 5. 8 minus 5 equals 3. We just flip them around and use those same numbers. All right, check your work. Make sure that you have 8, 3, and 5 on every line. You have 3 hamsters that are outside of the store and 5 inside of the store. And if you did that, give yourself a smiley face. Awesome work, my friends. You are done with math for today. I will see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.